reading a whole lot.
Okay. Here we are again. Tamid Jarasharish, Cathal agus Karen, or Drogheda Irish Patriots, agus Tamid Congul Captiano Arish, or couple of focal Gaeilge, couple of things in Irish on. Basically, we're going to look at masculine and feminine nouns again. Bit more on that, and we'll have a nice wee passage here that Karen's been working on quite hard, and it shows your masculine and feminine nouns and a little bit of the genitive as well. Karen, maybe just adjust your screen slightly, just bring it down a wee bit. You're a little. I don't want to miss out on that. Yeah, that's the direction. Yeah, great. Okay, agus could you mar tatu, Karen? We'll go ma.
Tá go má agus how who féin?
Yep, tá mé go yeah, bhí mé grochach inniu agus tá mé ará bháile inis agus tá mé sul go mór leis an cat seo. I'm very much looking forward to this lesson here. So
May féin.
Yeah, agus too here. You've been working hard on this, and it's quite a nice little passage.
Yeah.
And so again, it's going to be. I'll say the sentence in English, all right, and then if you get back on the Irish, and we can just explain a couple of the nuances around it. All right, happy enough?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Away we go. We're going to start here. All right, Lynn. Here we go. First one, Karen. I woke up this morning at 7 o'clock, and I got up then.
Dúisi mé ar margin ag a 7 agus dúi mé an sin.
Yeah, or dói. Very good. Ain't the my. Nothing too out of the ordinary there.
No.
Next one. I went into the kitchen to make tea.
Cúi mé isteach sa kitchen chun té a dhéanamh.
Yeah, very good. Ain't the my. So when you're doing it in Irish, it's basically I went into the kitchen for tea to make. You put the verbal noun comes at the end. So that's very good, 100%. Céad faoin céan and shin. Next one. I was about to make the tea when I heard the postman at the door.
Bhí mé ar tí an té a dhéanamh nóir cúla mé fear an phrist ag an doras.
Yeah. My who? That's a nice wee phrase. Bhí mé ar tí an té a dhéanamh. Ar tí means about to. You can say ar hub is another way of saying it.
Oh, okay.
About to. Ar tí té a dhéanamh nóir a chula mé fear an phrist ag an doras. Ain't the mind. Next one, and Kid Canella. Next sentence. I opened the door and he gave me a letter.
Just go mé an doras agus tug sé litir jam.
Yeah, very good. Dus go mé an doras agus hug sé litir do or dum.
Nice.
The next one. He is a big man and he had a black coat on.
Is far more agus bhí cóta dubh air.
Yeah. So it's far more agus bhí cóta dubh or it's cóta do or bhí cóta do Like, okay, so it's far more that means he's a big man. When it's far is a masculine noun, man is a masculine noun. So when you're describing it, big man, it's far more. If it was she is a big woman, it would be is van war. The woman being feminine noun becomes war. Yeah, so it's far more. Obviously, cota do or cota is also a masculine noun, so the describing word do for black is not aspirated. So it's cota do If it was a shirt, it would be leintje ru That's the difference. But very good, that was right. So I went into town as I had a couple of things to do.
Right, always a one. Cúig mé isteach sa bhaile mar bhí cúpla rud le déanamh agam.
Yeah, very good. That's right. So when you're saying it'd be a couple of rud le déanamh agam and a couple of things to do, it's different to ayanu. If you've got a couple, you went in to make the tea. It is ayanu and le janu. So that's a slight difference there, but that was right. Céad faoin céan. Uh, on my way, I saw a black cat and a brown dog.
I'm a bhéach connacht mé catdómh agus madra don.
Yep, exactly. Conic me cat dove agus madra done. Cat and dog are actually both masculine nouns. As I said, woman is feminine, as you'd think, and man is masculine. But strangely, girl is a masculine noun and boy is a masculine noun, but girl is also masculine, strangely. But there you go.
Right.
Okay. Next, I went to the. Sorry, that was a small cat. It was a small cat and a big dog.
Okay. Cat beag agus madra mór a bhí
Yeah, correct. I went to the match to see the team, the Red Hand.
Cúig mé go dtí an cluiche chun an foran. Love darag a feicáil.
Yeah, just be cuireamach ar pronunciation. There chuí mé go dtí an chluiche. Chluiche being feminine. Chun an foran to the team, Lav Yarag a Gaeilge. Lav, so that's Red Hand. The team is called the Red Hand. Lav being a feminine noun. When you're describing it with the red, it's Lav Yarag, not Lav, not Lav Jerg. So it's Lav Yarag a Gaeilge. Okay. They won, and I was happy with that.
Fuig siad agus bhí mé sásta sin.
Yeah, that's right. It's Fearditch. Bhui shade agus bhí mé sásta sin. I should have been shade as an S-I-A-D.
Yeah.
That's right. I went back home again to make my dinner.
Cúig mé ar ais sa bhaile arís cuma dhéanaar ar dhéanamh.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Chun ma dhéanaar a dhéanamh. Má dhéanaar. If it was his dinner, it would be a dhéanaar. Her dinner would be a
dinner.
Dinner, yeah. Very good for feminine. If it was her dinner. Okay, next one. My friend Mary came to my house and we were chatting for a half an hour.
Okay, I'm very remember here. Tháinig mo cara Mary go dtí mo theach agus bhí córa a gcuin ar feadh leathóir.
Yeah, very good. Tháinig mo cara Mary go dtí mo theach or teach sogam agus bhí córa a gcuin ar feadh leathóir. Yeah. She is a friendly woman.
Is ban cordial.
It's ban cordial, yeah.
Yeah.
So with the feminine, it would be cordial as opposed to cordial, yeah. It's ban cordial. I decided to go to bed as I was tired.
Siocraí mé dula cudla mar bhí mé tuirseach tríachta.
Yeah, well, yes, right, yeah. Huckry me, not sockery. Huckry me for past tense. Huckry me gulla chola, mar bhí me tuirseach, or you could say bhí tuirseach orm. Very good. Yeah. I have a big bed.
Tá labba mhór agam.
Tá labba war agam.
Oh, right, okay.
War.
Tá labba war agam.
Yeah, because it's feminine noun, labba war. Man is far more, labba is labba war. Difference there, feminine, masculine. I also have a red bed.
Tá labba yarag agam fashion.
Yeah, very good. Labba yarag agam. I fell asleep quickly because I was tired.
Hit me ima cudla go gasta mar bhí mé an tuirseach.
Very good. Yeah, hit me ima chola go gasta mar bhí mé an tuirseach, or bhí tuirseach mór orm. So very good. Ain't the maith car, my who. Tá ruddy a gull go my lat. They're going very well.
Thank you.
That took fiosu. August.
Say it's easy, it'll be easier.
Well, Kester be
Doing this, I mean.
Huh? Sorry.
Doing this, I mean. It's a little bit easier now as we get the weeks go by.
Yeah.
That's our number 4 now.
You're getting the difference between the masculine and the feminine. Yeah. Will Kester be ugly? You happy enough with it? Or?
I am, yeah. Why would Collini be male and a man?
It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. It's just the way that's Irish. It's just the way it is. Strange that cat and dog are both masculine, boy and girl are both masculine now. It's just the way it is.
Yeah, know? Right. I wouldn't have known that now.
Yeah. It's just the idiosyncrasies of the charm of Irish, if you like, Okay, well we'll leave it there. Foggy me sin, agus gin Kira and Shotland Shahugging. Okay, Karen, will you go off the sin?
Yeah, got Ihawa.
Agus comments in the sections must live. Slán agam a cardja.
Slán. Good night.